শিবায়। Namaskar friends, welcome to my Astro Spiritual channel. Myself Dr. Rishikesh Devnath from Kolkata. Specialties in medical and spiritual astrology. Today I am going to disclose about the very important information from my Astro Spiritual research works. Yes, the inner secret of astrology, inner secrets of planets.
This very Rahu Ketu axis is the only instrument to find out the most controversial and most terrible yoga like Kala Sarpa yoga. Today I am going to discuss all about in details of Kala Sarpa yoga. And before that, I am over uploaded and I thank you all subscribers and viewers of the channel, especially viewers of my last video, Rahu Ketu in astrology. You will be astonished to know, being a new channel, there is 7.5k viewers within 2 weeks only. Moreover, the video is 1 hour length. At the same time, I like to request you to visit those videos uploaded earlier in the channel, especially Rahu Ketu in astrology and Rahu Ketu axis.
Yes, before starting the Kalsarpa video, the most informative video on Kalsarpa, I like to add further about this video class. There are so many unknown informations about Rahu and Ketu, about this mysterious shadow planet, also described along with the salient points of classics. What's Kalsarpa yoga? How it forms? Varieties of Kalsarpa, that is Kalsarpa yoga, Kalamrita yoga, Kalsarpa dosha. Not only that, Dwadash Jyotirlinga attached to 12 types of Kalsarpa yoga, 12 Jyotirling connected to Rashi or signs, Lagna or ascendants. Friends, more and more of our all-round remedies of Kalsarpa I tried to share here. The most uniqueness of this video is the screen presentation. This is for easy understanding of all types of viewers and listeners as well. And here friends, finally I can't but declare that this video will be available in 3 different languages: Hindi, the national language, and Bengali, the regional language. And all the links will be given in the description box. Now let's come to the main points here. Kalsarpa literally means, Kal means time or Yama or Rudra, the god of death and destruction. Sharpa means serpent, poisonous snake. So Kalsarpa means the time period of a native with most bitter and poisonous fatal experiences. This is due to the planetary position in horoscope. Generally, Kalsarpa yoga is formed while 7 planets, namely Sun, Moon, Mars, Mercury, Jupiter, Venus and Saturn are all one side of Rahu Ketu axis. But here the important to note here that degree of any planet must not be outside the Rahu Ketu axis degree. If so, there will be partial Kalsarpa yoga. Thus, malefic effect of Kalsarpa will be decreased. Interestingly, here another varieties of Kalsarpa yoga is called Kalamrita yoga. It's a benefic one. There are so many successful persons from Margaret Thatcher to Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. where in Kalamrita's yoga and the full details of my research work. I shall share another video on Kalamrita's yoga next time. Kalamrita yoga is formed while 7 planets, Sun to Saturn, are backside of Rahu's transit, that is Rahu's movement. And while the 7 planets from Sun to Saturn are in front side of Rahu's transit, then the pure Kalasarpa yoga will be formed. Here you know, Rahu's transit or movement is clockwise direction in North Indian chart, whereas anti-clockwise direction in South Indian chart. Here you know, as per ascendant and Yogakaraka planet, connection with the Kalasarpa will not exert malefic or bad result to the native. Therefore, in general, everybody should not be afraid of Kalasarpa yoga. It must be borne in mind, all ascendant or lagna. Henceforth, the native will have very terrific, malefic, worst experience in life, obstacle in every work, no mental peace, ill health, reduced lifespan, loss of oil, bad luck in job, business and profession, family dispute, unhappy married life, unhappy for children, litigation and so and so. And you know, there are 12 types of Kalasarpa yoga. This is based on Rahu's placement in sign. Now I am going to classify 12 types of Kalasarpa yoga here. First, Ananta Kalasarpa yoga, while Rahu is posited in Aries sign, Mesha Rashi. Here you know, Ketu will be always 180 degree apart from Rahu's position. That is, here the Ketu will be in opposite sign, that is in Libra. Second, Kulik Kalasarpa yoga, while Rahu is posited in Taurus sign. Third, Vasuki Kalasarpa yoga, while Rahu is posited in Gemini sign. Fourth, Shankhapal Kalasarpa yoga, while Rahu is posited in Cancer sign. Fifth, Padma Kalasarpa yoga, while Rahu is posited in Leo sign. Sixth, Mahapadma Kalasarpa yoga, while Rahu is posited in Bhargo sign. Seventh, Takshaka Kalasarpa yoga, while Rahu is posited in Libra sign. Eighth, Karkataka Kalasarpa yoga, while Rahu is posited in Scorpio sign. Ninth, Shankhachur Kalasarpa yoga, while Rahu is posited in Sagittarius sign. 10th, Ghatak Kalasarpa yoga, Rahu's position in Capricorn sign. 11th, Vrishadhar Kalasarpa yoga, while Rahu is posited in Aquarius sign. 12th, Sheshnak Kalasarpa yoga, while Rahu is posited in Pisces sign, Meena Rashi. These are the 12 types of Kalasarpa yoga considering the Rahu's placement in sign. Ananta Kalasarpa, the native achieves success, rich, intelligent, may be cruel, deceitful and harsh in nature. He or she may have seek his spouse, unworthy partner, and also susceptible to sexual diseases. Kulik Kalasarpa yoga, the native is wealthy, materialistic, untruthful in nature, may have mouth and anal diseases, longevity suffers, prone to accident, interest in secrecy, research and occult sciences. Vasuki Kalasarpa yoga, bold, hard worker, intelligent, opposes siblings, unorthodox, intuitive and blazing. Shankhapal Kalasarpa yoga, the native is discontent in nature. Parents' happiness suffers. Disturbances in job, profession, bad position for fathers, works for others. Padma Kalasarpa, the native is hard-working, hard-hearted in nature. Devoid of sun, may have abdominal diseases, hyperacidity. Gain of wealth but friendship suffers. Mahapadma Kalasarpa, The native have the power to win over enemies. Disease like ulcer, kidney disease, eye disease, and very secretive in nature, attached to sinful activities, and prone to detachment and moksha. Takshaka Kalsarpa. The native is secretive but conjugal, unhappy, sickly, untraditional partner, loss in business but foreign connections. Karkataka Kalasarpa. The native is backbiter, secretive in nature, inclined to sex, accident, mysterious and foul words, detachment from family. There may be mouth disease. Shankhchur Kalsarpa. Native will gain material success but not pious. The native is tradition breaker, bold, stamina, divine grace, detachment from siblings. Ghatak Kalsarpa Yoga. Native is famous but not good deed, even not good for parents, loss of properties, land, mother, and lives birthplace also. Bijdhar Kalsarpa. The native will achieve success, material gain, foreign gains, but love life suffers. Mentally worried, no happiness from children. Sheshna Kalasarpa. The native likes over expenditure, secret and sinful activities, no bed comfort, wanderers, but overcomes enemies, good for health, power and siddhis. You know, these are all general prediction of 12 Kalsarpas, but apart from classics, astrological books, I am here going to disclose about Rahu Ketu philosophy from my astrological research work. You know, this video is a puppet show, totally controlled by threats, just like you yourself control your ever uncontented desires. Shara reviews 6 evils of life, such as lust, kama, anger, krodha, drunk, mother, greed, lobha, attachment, moha, jealousy, matsarya. You know, Rahu is illusion, maya, attached to these 6 evils. Rahu Ketu is mysterious, shadowy planets. Rahu Ketu can multiply, magnify, amplify, even modify these effects in life. Hence, friends, Rahu Ketu is your shadow. Hence, friend, Rahu Ketu individually is your shadow. Hence, friend, Rahu Ketu individually is your shadow. The larger and taller shadow is Rahu, and smaller and shorter shadow is Ketu. So, if you increase your desire to some extent, then Rahu will increase that in a larger extent, as Rahu being your larger shadow, even that may be uncontrolled. So, you are like a puppet controlled by your mind patterns. 6 evils resembles here with the thread of a puppet who is only who can control over. However, there are so many remedial measures for Kalsarpa dosha. Amongst all, the most effective and easy remedy of Kalsarpa dosha is simply pour milk water on Shivlinga, covering by serpent, preferably on Monday or during the month of Shravana. And you know, and there is a well-known method of Kalsarpa remedies to worship or visit the Jyotirling, which is connected to the Kalsarpa yoga. For Ananta Kalsarpa dosha, worship or visit Rameswaram, For Kulika Kalasharpa Yudosha, worship and visit Somnath. For Basuki Kalasharpa Dosha, visit and worship Nageshwar. For Shankpal Kalasharpa Dosha, worship and visit Omkareshwar. For Padma Kalasharpa Dosha, worship and visit Kushmeshwar. For Mahapadma Kalasharpa Dosha, visit and worship Mallikarjuna. For Takshak Kalasharpa Dosha, visit and worship Mahakaleshwar. For Karkataka Kalasharpa Dosha, visit and worship Vaidyanath. For Shankhachur Kalasharpa Dosha, visit and worship Vishwanath. Ghatak Kalasharpa Dosha, visit and worship Bhimashankar. For Vishadhar Kalasharpa Dosha, visit and worship Kedarnath. For Sheshna Kalasharpa Dosha, visit and worship Trambakeshwar. These 12 Jyotirlingas also attached to the native having the corresponding sign or ascendant as well. Along with gems and herbs, you chant or listen Om Namah Shivaya, Mahamrityunjay Mantra, Gayatri Mantra, Shiv Gita, Shivratri Vrata, Hanuman Chalisa, Dwadash Shivlinga Stotram, Shivashtakam Stotram. The link is given in the description box. In general, remedies of Kalsharpa is to render selfless service to grandparents and in-laws, feed dogs or animals and beggars.
And hence, for next video upload information, please subscribe my channel and press bell icon beside the subscribe button. And lastly, don't forget to like, share and comment on this video, please. Very many thanks to you all. See you soon. Namaskar. Jai.